Relationship of human and products. How would product evolve in the future? When we are talking about the product in the future, people might think of AI, 5G, IoT, right? To speculate the future, it is necessary to know more about now. Pursuit of social identity, buying goods excessively, high product replacement rate, overproduction and so on. Currently, there is a vicious cycle between design industry, consumer behavior and cultural phenomenon. People believes the cycle could promote economic growth. However, the economic losses from environmental damage not taken into account. Through time, the lack of awareness of the impact might build up and pose a greater threat to us. We might have to live in an environment has been seriously polluted future. Is it the future that should be? To solve the problem, I would like to propose a practical solution critical the current situation and guide people to reflect on it by using biomaterial as a major element to create product, which is bacteria. Bacteria, things existed 4 billion years ago, a word that often brings out a sense of fear in most of us. In fact, about 1,000 different types of bacteria live in our body. Most of them are good for the human body. They just like an uncountable number of various products with different functions that only exist in micro world. Consider this, what if we could bring it from micro world to macro world, live with bacteria at the physical level by using their biological characteristics? Will there be a future that product could be cultivated and functioned by different bacteria? Gluconacetabacter xylanus, it is a bacterium that can produce a large amount of a natural polymer synthesized named bacterial cellulose with 3D ultrafine nanofiber network. Currently, it is mostly used in medical and beauty aspect. To cultivate this material, only needs air, sugar, tea, even rotten fruits instead of mining or breeding and killing animals. It also less relies on traditional industrial manufacturing process. Apart from the basic properties have been clarified from medical and beauty aspects such as tough, flexible, high hydrophilicity. I have been conducted a lot of experiment in different treatment to explore possibilities in product applications. Besides, it can be created in different form and dyed in different colors, which vital to product design aspect. As a biomaterial, it can has additional properties such as antibacterial by adding nano-silver. Based on the experimentation, it showed potential in air filtration. To ensure it can be applied in product application as an air filtration material, it needs to be processed. In the beginning, it requires a simple preliminary cleaning process to remove excess impurities on the surface. Then, immerse it into solution for 30 minutes at 90 degrees water bath to remove the bacterial cell debris and repeat 3 times to remove the original color. Then, make it into emulsion for further chemical modification. After that, prepare soy protein isolate solution as additive to make it having better performance in capturing particle. Finally, mix it well to obtain uniform solutions. Cast to a clean and smooth surface or mold. Now, wait until it is completely dry and obtain usable bacterial cellulose. IKIMONO, a bacteria-based air purifier which is non-electric. The design concept corresponds to a speculated future air has been polluted future based on current situation. The application of biotechnology and biomaterials has been popularized to take the responsibility on the death stage of product. The base is made of steel as the product life is longer. The filter is replaceable and biodegradable. The chemically modified bacterial cellulose has extremely high removal efficiencies for particulate pollutants with a broad range of sizes while maintaining a very high air penetration rate of 92.63%. The height of filter refers to the exit area of PM10 to PM2 particles due. To optimize the filtration performance, spiral shape could optimize airflow efficiency. Layering structure could maximum air contact area in certain size while maintaining the spacing. Apart from practical function, refer to the consumer behavior, cultural phenomenon. It is also a kinetic wind sculpture. A small mechanism of connection allows the fitter wave when it is blown by the wind. Based on the design criteria and principle in production process of this biomaterial, it can eventually evolve different versions for different scenarios. Biotechnology. Create a better future.